The solar panel array being installed at Raymond High School is just one part of our energy initiatives in the Raymond School District. The district has entered into a 20-year lease agreement with energy-efficient investments to supply and install several replacements and upgrades throughout the district. The projects included in the arrangement are upgrades to the middle school building envelope, LED lighting at the high school and middle school, a biomass boiler at the high school, walk-in cooler controls at the high school and middle school, transformers at the high school and middle school, and a solar panel array at the high school. Each of these projects has been calculated to include the cost for installation, the estimated annual energy savings, and the projected rebate. From there, we can figure out how many years from the time of installation our upfront costs are expected to be recuperated. This is the simple payback in years. Let's talk a little more in detail about each of these projects and examine the upfront costs and simple payback in years for each. One project included is improvements to the middle school building envelope. We will be installing 1,250 linear feet of spray foam to address areas of air leakage caused by pressure differences. This project will increase the thermal performance of the building. The middle school building envelope improvements have an upfront expected cost of $45,000. We anticipate $6,000 in rebates. The annual energy savings from this upgrade is estimated at $3,500. This results in a simple payback of 11.14 years. At Raymond High School and Iber Holmes Middle School, former T8 and T5 fluorescent lighting are being replaced with LED light fixtures. These LED fixtures and lamps have longer life expectancy, estimated at more than 20 years, and result in a reduction in electrical demand. Additionally, by standardizing the fixtures and lamps, future maintenance costs will be reduced. This lighting project includes over 1,800 LED fixtures at the high school and middle school, 420 LED tube lights at the high school, and 12 LED exit signs at the high school. The total for the installation of these LED lighting upgrades is $429,000 at the high school and $383,000 at the middle school. Through planned energy rebates, we expect rebates for these upgrades in the amount of $68,000 at the high school and $71,640 at the middle school. The estimated energy savings with the LED fixtures as compared to the fluorescent lighting is $25,000 a year at each school. This results in a simple payback of 14.44 years at the high school and 12.45 years at the middle school. Raymond High School is currently heated by two cast iron oil boilers. These boilers were installed in 1987. This puts them past the recommended lifespan of 25 to 35 years. The boiler replacement project includes the demolition of these oil-burning boilers and the installation of a wood chip burning biomass boiler. Wood heating is a less expensive, renewable heating solution, and the wood chips are sourced locally in New Hampshire. An exterior storage silo will be provided to house the wood chips. This silo will be located at the high school near the gym entrance. The installation of this new boiler eliminates the need to store oil in the 10,000-gallon underground tank, and this tank will be removed as part of this project. Additionally, a propane-fired boiler will be installed for redundancy and peak loads, along with a new underground propane tank. The total cost of the biomass boiler with LP backup is $1,300,000. The expected rebate amount is $410,000. An estimated annual energy savings of $29,000 a year as compared to our current heating expenses at the high school results in a simple payback of 30.69 years. Refrigeration controllers will be added to the walk-in coolers and freezers at Raymond High School and Iber Holmes Middle School. Additionally, electronically commutated motors will also be installed on the evaporator fans at each school. A controller will start and stop the evaporator fans from operating when not necessary, and the newer evaporator fans are 30% more efficient than standard. Controllers will also be installed on the freezer to optimize defrosting and door heating. This project will result in energy savings from the reduction in fan power and the efficient control of evaporator fans and door heaters. The installation cost for walk-in cooler controls is $13,900 at the high school and $13,000 at the middle school, with projected rebate amounts of $5,000 at each school. The estimated annual energy savings is $1,200 at the high school and $1,300 at the middle school. This results in simple paybacks of 7.42 years at the high school and 6.15 years at the middle school. Several transformers at Raymond High School and Iber-Holmes-Gove Middle School are standard efficiency models and are not designed to handle the loads of today's modern facilities. The transformer upgrade project includes the replacement of 4 transformers at the high school and 1 transformer at the middle school with new high-efficiency units. The cost to install these new transformers at the high school is $73,532, and at the middle school, $22,587. The projected rebates are $1,500 at the high school and $2,000 at the middle school. The annual estimated energy savings is $5,000 at the high school and $1,200 at the middle school. This results in simple paybacks of 14.41 years at the high school and 17.16 years at the middle school. Lastly, we've begun the construction of a solar panel field at Raymond High School. These solar panels will be installed next to the driveway coming up the hill to the school. Once completed, they will provide electricity back to the grid, which will be used to offset electricity use at the high school and the middle school. The solar panels are projected to generate enough revenue to not only pay for themselves within 15 years, but also to offset costs for other energy projects as well. The solar panels have a projected lifespan of 30 years. The installation cost for the solar array is $1,962,597. The projected rebate amount is $588,779, with an estimated annual energy savings of $116,000. The simple payback is 11.84 years. Now let's review how these energy-saving measures are projected to save this district money going forward. The total estimated annual savings district-wide from all of these energy projects is $207,200. Our lease payment for most years of this 20-year lease is $258,059.77. Our year 3 payment is the only year there will be a higher amount due to a rebate that year, which will be put toward the lease. A payment of $258,059.77 minus the saving of $207,200 results in a delta of $50,859.77. This is the minimum amount that the district is expected to save each year on energy expenditures as a result of these projects. Additionally, our contract with EEI includes a guaranteed savings of 80% of the estimated savings amount. This means that if we don't reach an energy savings of at least $165,760, EEI will reimburse the district for the amount of the deficiency. Thank you for watching this summary of our energy projects.